December 1st, 2020 practice. Two bakers, Tom and Tina, want to see how much flour they use in making muffins. They both make ratio tables, but their ratio tables are different. Plot the points for Tom, not faux, plot the points for Tom and Tina on the graphs. All right, so we're going to first plot our points and then we'll answer this question. So let's look at Tina over here on the left side. The first one is over 1 up 3. So muffins here, batches of muffins is on our x-axis. Cups of flour is on our y. So we're going to do the muffins first. So one muffin is 3 cups of flour. So one muffin uses 3 cups of flour. Now, two batches of muffins uses 6 cups of flour. So we're going to go over 2 up to 6. Next one, over 3 up 9. Over 3, 1, 2, 3, up to 9. Next one, over 4 up 12. Over 4 up to 12. Awesome. So we're done with that one. Let's take a look at Tom over here. When we plot, sorry, this is not looking cute. There we go. Let's look at Tom over here. So his muffins and flour here. The muffins, again, is on the x-axis and the flour is on the y. So we are going to go over 2 up 4. So two batches of muffins are going to have 4 cups of flour. So we're going to put 4 there. 4 muffins is going to be 8 cups of flour. 4 muffins, 8 cups. We're going to go up to that 8. 6 batches of muffins is going to go to 12. And then 8 muffins is going to go up to 16. So 8 muffins, whoop, there's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I am so sorry, but that's going to be up there. All right, so now we have our tables here, or our graphs. So first of all, this one looks like it's kind of spread out a little bit more and kind of more lenient, going, okay, it's going to go a little bit to the side here. This one's like, oh, we're going up fast. So who used more flour per batch of muffins? So there's a couple ways that we can use this. So who used more flour per batch of muffins? So more flour means what's going to go more rapidly. So if we look, which is going more rapidly? This one's kind of steadily going up to the side. It's still going up. But this one, it looks like, whoa, shooting straight up. So that one's going up fast. So this is Tina's table. So we're going to circle Tina because she's using more flour per batch of muffins. Now, we can take a look, and if you wanted to, we can compare. So the batches of muffins, what do we see they have in common? Well, we can use they both have a 2. So if we compare those tables, if I compare them, all right, so if I compare that 2 there, batches with this 2 batches, perfect. So if we have this 2 batches and this 2 batches, Tom uses 4 cups of flour and Tina uses 6 cups of flour. So who uses more cups of flour? Tina does. So in both cases, Tina uses more cups of flour per her batches of muffins. And that is it for our practice. Great job.